to you all my dear students. Welcome to our English class for grade 7. مرحبا بكم أعزائي الطلبة في شرح دروس اللغة الإنجليزية للصف السابع. I'm your teacher خلود ربحي حبيب. معكم معلمتكم خلود ربحي حبيب. Are you ready to have today's lesson? Okay, let's read the objectives of it. قبل أن نبدأ دعونا نتعرف على أهداف درس هذا اليوم. At the end of this lesson, students are expected to 1. Identify the new words. 2. Answer questions after listening to a conversation. The hike. This is our title for today's lesson. Look at these pictures. Can you guess the meaning of the title? The hike هو عنوان درسنا لهذا اليوم. لنشاهد الصور التالية. هل عرفتم ماذا نعني به؟ Yes, it's a long walk in the mountains or countryside. أحسنتم. يقصد به المشي لمسافات طويلة أو التجوال في الجبال أو المناطق الطبيعية. Now, it's time to listen to our new words for today. والآن حان وقت الاستماع للمفردات الجديدة الخاصة بدرس اليوم. Listen and repeat the words. استمع وكرر نطق الكلمات.
Differences. Group. Instructions. Part. Put on. Remember. Shade. Strange.
Okay. Let's discuss the meaning of them. والآن بعد أن استمعنا إلى نطق الكلمات بشكل صحيح هيا لنناقش معانيها. Differences. Differences is the opposite of similarities. Similarities. Differences means اختلافات وهي اسم والمقابل لها تشابهات similarities. We say what are the differences between the two pictures? ما هي الفروق بين الصورتين؟ وهي لعبة يحبها الجميع. Group. Group. It's a noun. مجموعة. We say I'm meeting a group of friends for dinner tonight. سأقابل مجموعة من الأصدقاء هذه الليلة. Instructions. Instructions. It's a noun and it means تعليمات. We say, for example, please read the following instructions carefully. اقرأ التعليمات بحذر. Part. Part. It means piece of. قسم أو جزء. We say exercise has become part of my life. Put on. Put on. It means wear. It's a verb. يرتدي أو يلبس. For example, you should put on a thick clothes in winter. Remember. Remember. يتذكر. It's a verb. And the opposite, forget. Forget, ينسى. We say, for example, I can remember people's faces, but not their names. وجميعنا يحصل معه هذا الأمر بأننا نتذكر وجوه الناس وننسى أسماءهم. Shade. Shade. ظل. It's the same meaning of shadow. Shadow. We say you should sit in the shade while you are eating lunch. يجب أن نجلس في الظل. Strange. Strange. It means unusual. Unusual. It's an adjective وهي صفة بمعنى غريب أو غير طبيعي. For example, I never speak to strange men. Now, let's answer this activity. والآن هيا لنجيب على هذا السؤال. Finish the following sentences with words from the list. لدينا مجموعة من الكلمات ونريد إكمال الجمل بالكلمة المناسبة لها. Groups, instructions, differences, put on, remember. ولكي نجيب على هذا السؤال يجب أن نترجم أولاً معاني الكلمات ثم نقرأ الجمل، وهناك كلمات مفتاحية تساعدنا في الحل الصحيح. لنقرأ الجملة الأولى. I'm very sorry. I can't your name. I can't your name. I can't remember. Excellent. Number 2. You should do this exercise in... Yes, how should you do this exercise? Yes, you should do this exercise in groups. Number 3. Sarah and Mona are twins. Twins هنا توأم. But there are some between them. التوأم ماذا بينهم؟ Great. Some differences between them. Number 4. The sun is very hot today, so you should your hat. Yes, excellent. The sun is very hot today. You should put on your hat. Number 5. Before you start the game, I'm going to give you some قبل أن نبدأ اللعبة هناك بعض Yes, instructions التعليمات. Let's move to the next activity. والآن لننتقل إلى النشاط التالي. What can you see in the pictures? ماذا تشاهدون في الصور؟ Yes, a group of pupils are listening to their masters. إذا نشاهد مجموعة من الطلاب يستمعوا إلى أساتذتهم. What about listening to the conversation between them to answer the following questions? ما رأيكم أعزائي الطلبة أن نستمع إلى الحوار الذي دار بينهم لنجيب على الأسئلة التالية.
Before you start the hike, I need to give you some instructions. Be quiet, please. Everyone, listen to Mr. Carter. Right. Stay with your group. Try not to hurt yourself. Tell your group leader about any problems.
Who are our group leaders?
Let's see. That's strange. I can't remember. I think we said Sohail and Omar. Ah, yes, thank you. There are some big differences on the hike. Some parts have lots of trees and shade. Other parts have lots of rocks and no shade. So remember to put on a hat. Yes. Be careful not to get thirsty, too. You should take water with you. At the end of the hike, there's a fantastic place to swim, but be careful.
Can we stay until sunset?
No, you should be here before sunset. And one last thing, enjoy yourselves.
Now, can you answer the following questions? هل يمكنكم الإجابة على الأسئلة؟ Number 1. Put true or false. ضع علامة صح أو خطأ. Number 1. Suhail and Omar are the group leaders. سهيل وعمر قادة المجموعة. Yes, that's right. Number 2. They should be in the hike until sunset. Sunset, it means ماذا تعني sunset؟ غروب الشمس. هل سيبقى الأولاد حتى غروب الشمس؟ Yes, false, yes. Not until, before. يجب أن يأتوا قبل غروب الشمس. Number 3. They should take gloves with them. Gloves, it means الكفوف. هل سيأخذون معهم الكفوف؟ No, yes, it's false. They have to take with them, as we listen, yes, a hat and water. Question number 2. Choose the correct answer. اختر الإجابة الصحيحة. Number 1. Mr. Carter needs to give the group some instructions, advice, words. ماذا أراد أن يعطيهم الأستاذ كارتر؟ Yes, instructions. بعض التعليمات. أحسنتم. Number 2. There are some small, great, many differences on the hike. As we listened before, كيف كانت هذه الاختلافات؟ Small, great, many. Yes, great, excellent. Answer the following questions. لنجيب على الأسئلة التالية. Number 1. What must the boys put on? ماذا يجب أن يضع الأولاد؟ Do you remember? Yes, they must put on their hats. Excellent. Question number 2. What should the boys take with them? ماذا يجب أن يأخذوا معهم؟ They should take water with them. أحسنتم، الماء. I hope you enjoyed our lesson for today. See you soon and goodbye.